Christmas special, homemade roasted turkey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have something extra special in store for you. It's the holiday season, and what better way to celebrate than with a mouth-watering Christmas special dish? We're going to show you how to make homemade roasted turkey chicken paired with delicious fried rice. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. So, let's jump right into the ingredients. Ingredients. For roasted turkey chicken. Whole turkey chicken, approximately 12 to 14 pounds. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, chopped. Zest of 1 lemon. 1 cup chicken broth. For fried rice. 2 cups cooked and cooled rice, preferably overnight. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn. 1 cup cooked and diced chicken. 3 eggs, beaten. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Green onions for garnish. Preparation: roasted turkey chicken. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Pat the turkey chicken dry with paper towels and season the cavity with salt and pepper. In a bowl, mix softened butter, minced garlic, chopped rosemary, chopped thyme, and lemon zest. Carefully loosen the skin of the turkey and rub the herb butter mixture under the skin and all over the surface. Place the turkey on a rack in a roasting pan. Pour chicken broth into the pan. Roast the turkey in the preheated oven, basting every 30 minutes, until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Allow the turkey to rest for 20 minutes before carving. Preparation: fried rice. Heat vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add mixed vegetables and sauté until they're tender crisp. Push the vegetables to one side of the pan and pour the beaten eggs into the other side. Scramble the eggs until cooked through. Add cooked and cooled rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps. Stir in diced chicken, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix everything well. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue to stir-fry until the rice is heated through. Garnish with chopped green onions. And there you have it, our Christmas special dish. The combination of these two dishes is sure to... Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Here are some benefits of homemade roasted turkey chicken with fried rice. Nutrient-rich meal. Roasted turkey chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle repair and overall body function. Fried rice with mixed vegetables adds vitamins and minerals, providing a well-rounded nutritional profile. Balanced combination. The combination of roasted turkey chicken and fried rice creates a well-balanced meal with proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Rich in antioxidants. The herbs and spices used in the roasted turkey, such as rosemary and thyme, are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Heart-healthy ingredients. Turkey, when prepared without excessive added fats, can be a heart-healthy protein option. Vegetable oils used in fried rice contain unsaturated fats that are beneficial for heart health. Digestive friendly. The mixed vegetables in the fried rice contribute dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Boosts energy levels. The combination of carbohydrates from the fried rice and protein from the turkey provides a sustained release of energy, keeping you energized throughout the day. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Happy cooking and Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you very much. Roasted turkey chicken fried.